Got it here another very unique knives mechanism. This is benchmark knives AD80, but I think I have two of them in one pouch. So one bigger and one smaller. This is vintage stuff. Just one knife like that on eBay sells for $250 all day. So this is how it works. You press it here and pull it forward. I don't know if I can do this one-handed. And to lock it, you just press this button, like a lock button, and you just pull it back up where it was. Let's see if I can pull it forward with one hand. Oh, there you go. It's all about positioning your hands. So there is the brand. What's saying it? USA Benchmark Knives. That's what it says. So that's a nice handy knife, pretty hefty. I like it. For unique knife opening mechanisms, it's perfect for the collection. And also, you want to complete your collection, you just get a tiny one too. So you gotta press it right here and pull it. A little bit easier than the other one because it's just smaller, but it's the same mechanism. You press it right here and just pull it back. And you want to pull it all the way and lock it in. That's just such a one-of-a-kind knife. Let's see if I can open this one with 3 fingers. Press it, pull it. Quite nice. Nothing fast about it. Closing it, definitely have to use 2 hands. One more time. Big one versus small one right here. Same design, wood handles. That's a beautiful stuff over here. I love mechanical, unique style of folding knives. This is definitely makes it one of a kind. This one seems to be much smoother. You see how it's pretty smooth? Wow, locks in so well. I feel like I have bought one of these before, but it was all plasticky. This one, as good as it goes. A little bit loose over here. Probably need to like surface it and maintenance it to where it's not gonna make any noises. Almost no blade play. I feel just tiny little bit of a blade play, but this is why, because it kind of unique mechanism over here for sure. This one seems to be a bit tighter, but it's harder to open. So let's see. So kind of hard to pull it forward. But definitely one of a kind knife side here. Let me know in comments below, what do you think? It says patent pending on this side, that's it. There is another markings that's important. AD 880, AD 481. So that's the model numbers, I guess.